Hey, what's up, my brother, my friends? What's going on? Today video is going very special for VChain holder because today is a VChain day. Exactly, today is VChain day. VChain is going very fastly. You can see here on the crypto market, plus 13.58%. They go up in the last 24 hour, and the last 24 hour fast 24 hour every crypto market is very badly falls down, but Dutch coin, and you can see here also the VChain. These two both cryptocurrencies has gone up very fastly, my friends. So therefore, I am excited. I am very happy for VChain and Dutch coin because the both I am a both a holder absolutely. So VChain absolutely. Today we talk about the VChain. So what's going on and what's our target and what's my prediction. So before I get started, I request you, my brother, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you click out the subscribe button, then I am very happy. Please, for latest news and updates, you just click on the red button. Please subscribe and also like this video if you need this time more informative video. Press bell icon also, my friends. This time, if you can see here, this is the last 24 hour chart, and the last 24 hour chart, if you can see here, they are also very badly falls down, my friend. And you can see here, this time they take a very high jump. They just go and up, my friend. This time, if you can see here, this is the resistance line. Okay, I draw a resistance line. You can see here, this is the resistance line. You can see here, my friend. Okay, this time if we check out what's my prediction, so I told you, my friend, in this video, my friend, this time if you can see here, this is the circulation. You can see here of falls and jump. You can see here. So guys, this time they take a very bad fall after this point you can see here 0.20 something, my friend. The price come down, but again 0.2, yes, 0.20 something. Okay, but after it falls, they take a jump. They take a jump, exactly, and they are moving up. So this is my prediction. I tell you, my friends, my prediction today gone up, exactly. If you can see here, the change occur and minus 24 hour plus 13.58%, they got up. So congratulations, my brother, this is very big change, and the price is also increasing now. So if they moving at this level, absolutely, at this circulation, they hit it easily a half US dollar. Our target as 0.5 US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit it easily. So my friends, hope you understand what I talk you to. They are moving up. If you buy it at those days, absolutely, you are right. You are right. If you buy it at at the same time, they give you a very good profit just at the end of month, I hope. But I have no plan to sell it, my brother, because I have said it in 2025 absolutely. When they hit it easily 50 US dollar, then I hit it, then I sell it. Otherwise I cannot sell it. I have no plan to sell it, my friends. Our first target as 0.5 US dollar, and second target as our 1 US dollar. 1 US dollar is just at to the moon, but the third target is very high. This is 10 US dollar at the end of this year, my friend. Please wait for a good time. They are just gone off, my friends. The good time is coming soon now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates.